These people had one thing in common. They knew they had it in themselves. They knew they could be something beyond where they were. They were willing to put their time, their energies to better themselves. What you really could do with more skills, it's just remarkable. So I would like to just tell you a couple of short stories, and we'll draw maybe a couple of lessons from them.
Welcome back to a new video to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you the 4 rules of Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors in history and one of the richest homebres in the world. Before starting the video, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. In 2021, Warren Buffett was listed as the 7th richest person in the world, worth approximately $100.6 billion as of April of that year. The man is considered one of the world's most successful investors, being the leader of Berkshire Hathaway, a multinational conglomerate holding company, which is the 8th largest public company around the globe. Admired by other men like Bill Gates, with whom he often plays bridge, the man is also recognized for his philanthropic work, so he certainly has some lessons we can learn from him. 1. Set limits. One of the most important lessons that Warren Buffett has left can be reduced to this phrase: the difference between successful people and really successful people is that the latter say no to almost everything. But what does it mean? When it comes to business, there is often a mindset of taking every opportunity that comes along. However, the more successful you are, the more opportunities appear, and not all of them are as beneficial as they promise. Even if you are already successful, you cannot put yourself at risk through all the investment possibilities that may arise, but you should analyze all of them and choose the ones that are really going to be beneficial and do not have so much risk to lose. To take all the opportunities would be to bet all the chips in a single game, and that is not an excellent idea. You should establish limits to say no to some things throughout the day, and say yes to the important ones. 2. Invest in yourself. In an interview with Yahoo a few years ago, the entrepreneur said, "By far, the best investment you can make is in yourself." With this, he moves away from the idea that you always have to invest in external elements to make your fortune grow, which is not wrong, but it is also important to give time and money to develop yourself as a person, acquiring knowledge. Like Bill Gates, Warren Buffett points out the importance of continuing to learn, and he is also a book lover, so he is always looking for new areas to learn, which can be key to drive new investments. 3. Imitate good leaders. So much of what you become in life depends on who you choose to admire and copy, Buffett said in a letter to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders. Of course, here he is talking about role models and examples that help us on the road to success. If we know good bosses and leaders, we can think about what we can take from them to apply to our own lives and the way we work with others. It's better to hang out with people who are better than you. Choose associates whose behavior is better than yours, and they will lead you in that direction. Buffett had a mentor who was key in his development, Tom Murphy, from whom he learned key lessons such as giving autonomy to workers, learning to delegate authority effectively, among other things. For his part, Bill Gates has indicated his admiration for Buffett and learned many other lessons from him. 4. Make quick decisions. Buffett points out that taking decisions slowly is not optimal, as we are only delaying taking action on something we care about. While it is good to wait a bit before making an important decision, you need to do your research quickly and not take too long to take a path. There are relevant things that also require your attention, and you don't need to focus so much on one thing. Will you follow these lessons? It is clear that Buffett has become a successful man for many other reasons, but these 4 are the ones he believes are the most important and the ones that have helped him achieve success. If you want to be rich someday, I am sure that these 4 rules that Buffett follows will help you to do so. I hope these economic habits of one of the greatest investors in history will help you. If you want to learn more about how to make money, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the other videos.